students, today we will learn about tabular presentation of word processor. Microsoft Word offers a flexible feature of presenting information in a tabular form. In this chapter, you will learn to create, modify, and format a table to present the data in an effective manner. Let us start with a table. A table is an organized arrangement of data, text, numbers, pictures, and other objects, which consists of number of rows and columns. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Data in the form of text or graphics can be entered inside the cells. A column is a vertical series of cells in a table, whereas a row is a series of data items placed in a horizontal line in a table. How to create a table? What provides a variety of ways to create a table? To insert a new table, place the cursor where you want the table to appear. Using Table Grid, click on the Table button in the Tables group on the Insert tab. This will open a drop-down menu that contains a grid. Drag the mouse pointer over the grid and cover the number of rows and columns you want in the table. The table will be inserted on the working area. Using Insert Table dialog box, navigate to the Insert tab and then click on the Table button. Select the Insert Table option from the drop-down menu. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Specify the number of columns and rows in the dialog box and click OK. When you insert a table, you will get the Design and Layout tabs on the ribbon under the Table Tools. Draw Table. Word 2010 also provides you with a special drawing mode to create a table in your document. To draw a table, follow the given steps. Click the Table button on the Insert tab and choose the Draw Table option from the drop-down menu that appears. The mouse pointer changes to a pencil icon. Click at the desired position in your document and drag down the mouse pointer to the right to draw an outline of the table. To draw a row, drag the pencil pointer from the left to the right side of the table. To draw a column, drag the pencil pointer from the top to the bottom of the table. When you finish creating tables, columns, and rows, click on the Draw Table button again or press the Escape key. Students, let's know more. You can also use the Draw Table button from the Draw Borders group under the Design tab that appears on the ribbon when you draw a table. Quick Tables. Quick Tables, available since Word 2007, are a quick and easy way to insert a pre-designed table in your document. These tables are the most commonly used table layouts saved in the Quick Tables gallery as building blocks. Follow the given steps to insert a quick table. Click where you want to insert a table. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click on the table, then go to Quick Tables. Select an appropriate template from the drop-down list that appears. Students, let's know more. You can also add a frequently used table to the Quick Tables gallery by selecting the table and clicking on the Insert, then Tables, then Table, then Quick Tables, then Save Selection to Quick Tables gallery. Fill information in the Create New Building Block dialog box that appears and click OK. Converting text to a table. You can also convert the existing text to a table. Enter the text as shown in the figure. Select the text. Click on the Insert tab, then Table button, and select the Convert Text to Table option from the drop-down menu. The Convert Text to Table dialog box appears. Define the columns and rows under the Number of Columns and Number of Rows option respectively. Click OK. The selected text will appear in the table form as shown in the figure. Now let us learn how to enter data in a table. Place the insertion point in a table cell where you want to type data. To move to the next adjoining cell, either press the Tab key or the right arrow key. To move to the previous cell, either press the Shift plus Tab key or the left arrow key. Enter the data as given in the table. The up and down arrow keys will shift the cursor to the cells above or below the current cell. Okay, let us understand how to select a cell, row, column, and table using mouse. To select a cell, click on the edge of the cell. To select a row, move the mouse to the left of the row margin. Click the left mouse button and drag to the end of the row. To select a column, place the mouse pointer over the top of the column. Click the left mouse button. To select the entire table, click on the table move handle or drag the mouse over the entire table. Students, let me share a tip. You can also select the different parts of a table by using the Select menu on the Table Tools in the Layout tab.